Hi guys, welcome back to 4ddig. Today we are going to solve a common problem that troubles many gamers and software users. Unarc dll returned an error code 11. This error usually occurs during the installation or decompression of files, especially during the installation process of games or large applications. Don't worry, we will help you solve this problem through some simple and effective methods. Method 1. Change virtual memory. Click Search and type View Advanced System Settings. Open it and select Settings. In the Performance options, click Advanced. You can see Change option below. In here, uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Select your first disk, select Custom Size. In Initial Size, type 100 megabytes, and maximum size you can fill it out as you want. Here I type 3000 as an example. Hit Set. Hit OK. Next step, press Windows plus R key and type %10%, hit Enter. In this folder, delete all files. After you've done that, restart your computer. Finally, check if your problem has been resolved. Method 2. Use System Configuration. Open Start menu, type misconfig. Click on System Configuration. After entering the interface, click on Boot, click Advanced Options, click on Number of Processors. For the number of processors, you can select 4. Click OK, then click Apply. OK, and restart. After installing your game, make sure you go back to meconfig and uncheck the number of processors checkbox. Then reboot and you're done. Method 3. Use 4ddig DLL Fixer. If you feel that the previous operations are too complicated, you can try 4ddig DLL Fixer. 4ddig DLL Fixer is a software designed to quickly and thoroughly scan your computer for any DLL errors that may be causing program malfunctions. With a simple one-click operation, it can effortlessly fix corrupted, damaged, or missing DLL files. Furthermore, it excels at restoring missing runtime libraries and directs files, performing these tasks with professional precision. Additionally, 4ddig DLL Fixer can repair startup issues in Windows programs and games, ensuring smooth operation. Boasting an industry-leading success rate, it provides fixes with up to 99% effectiveness. First, run it on your computer. If you don't sure what the problem is, try Full Check. It will scan for issues caused by system DLL file errors. Once done, click Repair. See if your problem is fixed. That's it. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe us. See you guys in the next video.